And this video I will show you how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. So first off, open up Bybit or website. Then you want to do, guys, buy crypto right here and click on one click buy now. And if you have US dollar in your account, and right here as payment method, you can choose US balance and see its euro balance. But if you use this US dollar, then you will show USD balance right here. Now if you have a deposit and any money into your account, you can just go deposit right here and some USD into your USD balance. Then after depositing that money, you will show USD right here. For me, the euro, since I live in Europe, and so you can choose how much you want to spend. And for the cryptocurrency, you want to select USDT. If you want to do $10, for example, just go ahead and type 10 right here, and then you will see how much USDT you are going to receive. So then just ahead, click buy right here and confirm buy order, and then you will have both USDT with your USD. So convert USD, and this is how helpful, guys, video. Thanks for watching this video.